Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about digital assets. So as we know that this year we have to file ITR regarding the capital gains, including some clauses regarding the digital assets also. So for your easy reference, I'm going to cover the introduction part of the digital assets, that what will be covered into this, on which type of transaction tax consequences will be leviable. So here we are going to start with the definition of the digital assets. So when we talk about the digital assets, they broadly define as any digital representation of value which is recorded on a cryptographically secured distributed ledger or any similar technology as specified by the secretary. So here anything which is termed as cryptographic or cryptocurrency, that will be included in the digital assets. So here the mediator between the buyer and the seller of the crypto will going to maintain your ledgers with the help of a definite technology. So digital assets include, but are not limited to. They include because digital assets have a very vast scope. Many things come into this, but we tried to figure out the basic things which you can analyze and decide whether it will come under the digital assets or not. So here, digital assets include convertible virtual currency and cryptocurrency. When you say bitcoins, ether, or digital notes, anything which can be converted into respective forms. Stable coins, non-fungible tokens, you can say NFTs. These are the three broad categories into which we divided the digital assets. And on those assets, you need to pay income tax or GST or the respective provision of law applicable. Here, the digital assets are not the real currencies. You can say these are the fiat currencies, fiat money, because they are not the coins. These are not the paper money. You cannot see them physically. They are just available virtually. You can keep a track how much you spend, how much you earn in the form of numbers on your respective devices. But there is no physical term of these money or the currency. Here, the first state which starts the crypto concept is US or the foreign currency. These are the like countries which trade into these digital assets. They don't prefer that physical money that much. They just encourage that you should deal within the digital money only. So here, the United States of a foreign currency are not digitally issued by a government central bank. These are not issued by the bank. These are like, there are many companies or there are many players in this like trade sector which keep on mining these bitcoins, crypto, ether. There are many cryptocurrencies. They keep on mining. There is a different process behind the generation of the cryptocurrencies or any digital asset. A digital asset that is an equivalent relative in real currency or act as substitute for real currency has been referred to as convertible virtual currency. In short, suppose I'm going to buy something in the market, and in respective of paying rupees or doing payment in like Indian currency or any other currency relevant to the respective country, we can pay digital money, we can pay the amount in bitcoins, ether, or any other crypto or digital asset. So that digital asset will be referred as a convertible virtual currency. A cryptocurrency, an example of a convertible virtual currency that can be used as a payment of goods, services, digitally traded between the users and exchange or etc. When we talk about the consequences of the tax, where we need to pay the tax, on which type of transaction tax will be leviable. So when we talk about the transaction involving a digital asset are generally required to be reported in the tax return. Like when you talk about the taxable income, gain or loss may result from the transaction. So when we talk about the gain or loss or any taxable income, which we going to do in the long run or merely not on the regular basis, it will come into the capital gain. However, when we're going to trade regularly or like that, so it will be, there is a different section we are going to show you while filing our ITRs. in our upcoming courses. So for that, we need to disclose each and everything, the purchase value, on which on what value you traded it. Everything need to be mentioned in the ITR, or everything need to be disclosed in the income tax return. So let's have a look which type of transactions are coming into this. Sale of a digital asset or for fiat means you need to exchange the currencies. Exchange of a digital asset for property, goods or services. Exchange or trade of one digital asset for another digital asset means you are exchanging cryptocurrency, like elements of cryptocurrency with each other. Like for the Bitcoin, you are exchanging Ethereum, and for Ether, you are exchanging Bitcoin, like this. Receipt of a digital asset as payment for goods or services. For example, I'm giving my services to Edukating, and Edukating going to pay me Bitcoin regarding this. So I can use this as a receipt purpose also. Receipt of a new digital asset as a result of hard fork means your company, you're working in a foreign company, maybe they will going to give you incentives or bonus in the form of digital assets. Receipt of a new digital asset is a result of mining or staking activities. Like as I said, that there are many players in the market of digital assets industry, which are that are involved in the mining process. So that is a huge platform for creating the Bitcoin reserves. So many companies are into this. So you're receiving any digital asset after mining, that will be taxable. Receipt of a digital asset as a result of airdrop or any other disposition of financial interest in a digital asset will result into tax consequences. So in short, we have three categories in the digital asset thing. Number one is the convertible virtual currency and cryptocurrency, stable coins and non-fungible tokens. However, if these transactions have been done by you, you need to pay the taxes on. I hope this will help you to bifurcate or to identify whether you are covered into the tax provisions of the cryptocurrency or not, or the tax provisions for the digital assets or not. Hope you will like it. And if you really want to know more, you can join our courses with the Edukating. So we are launching our courses next week for filing the ITR 3 and regarding the capital gain and digital assets. So you can join it and learn more about the filing process. Thank you so much.